Resetting your Apple Watch. What you need to know.
Hello there. Today we are going to answer a very important question. Will factory resetting my Apple Watch erase all of my data? In the digital age, our personal devices contain a lot of important and sensitive data, so it's crucial to know what happens when we reset these devices.
What is a factory reset?
Factory resetting your Apple Watch means restoring the device to its original settings. This process removes all data and settings from the device and leaves it just as it was when you first unboxed it.
What happens to my data after a factory reset?
When you perform a factory reset, all of your data, including your fitness and health tracking data, apps, and settings, will be erased from the device. However, it's important to note that if you have paired your Apple Watch with an iPhone and you've backed up your data, a factory reset doesn't mean that your data is lost forever.
Is there a way to keep my data?
Yes, there is. Before you factory reset your Apple Watch, make sure you back up your data to your paired iPhone. This data will then be included in your iPhone's regular backup, either through iCloud or a manual backup to your computer using iTunes. Once your Apple Watch is reset and repaired with your iPhone, you can restore the watch from the backup.
How to back up my Apple Watch data?
Backing up your Apple Watch data is simple. Here are the steps. 1. Keep your Apple Watch and iPhone close together. The devices must be in range for the backup to occur. 2. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. This is where you'll initiate the backup. 3. Unpair your Apple Watch. This might seem counterintuitive, but unpairing your watch automatically creates a backup of its data on your iPhone. After these steps, your data will be safely backed up to your iPhone. So, to answer your question, yes, factory resetting your Apple Watch will erase all of your data from the device. But, as long as you ensure that your data is backed up on your paired iPhone before you reset, you won't lose that data permanently. Remember, your data is important, so always make sure to back it up regularly. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your question. Stay tuned for more tech tips and advice.